Have tried the canned cranberry sauce. There's no comparison to the real stuff. So I have the full bag of the full 24-ounce bag of cranberries in here. I already added in a half a cup. I am going to add more water in because I don't think it's enough. But to that, I'm going to turn it on now. I'm going to put it down to 600. I'm going to go to 400. Actually, I'll keep it 8. So that's the water. So it's got the water. So it's got a cup and a half of water in it, and the full 24-ounce bag of the cranberries. To that, I'm going to add in some orange juice. So I'm adding the juice of an orange. This is not big enough. I mean, too big. Okay, so just gotta watch for seeds. That. And we'll get the other one in. See how we're doing water level wise. I think we're to a point where we have enough liquid anyway. But I still might put some more in, some more liquid in. So we're going to keep this going until the berries burst. But I'm going to add in some lemon juice also. This I can use this for. Thankfully, because the seeds don't want in here. So, and then I'll add in the allulose. So this is a half a cup of allulose. Allulose is a plant-based sugar for those who aren't familiar. It's one of the newer ones. But it is gaining some popularity. It's banned in England and Canada, but so far still okay in the US. It has no calories, and it will not raise blood sugar either. Because both the lemons and the lemon juice and the cranberries are both pretty tart, so that's why you have to add the allulose. It's an important part of it. I think they're starting to burst, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna pump it up a little on the heat. Yeah, they're popping. Yeah, I can hear them. Okay, I'm going to put in a cinnamon stick to it. Add a couple cinnamon sticks to the mix here. And while that's working its magic, I'm going to mix up a slurry with the pectin. Pectin is meant to thicken it, so. But I'm still waiting for the berries to burst, so there's quite a lot of them in there. I'm going to go to full teaspoon. So I'm taking a teaspoon of the pectin, and we're going to mix it with some cold water. Just like as if you were using cornstarch, you mix it separately. And with this, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of water, of cold water. So it's 3 tablespoons of water, of cold water to 1 teaspoon of pectin. Dump that in. Smells good. Go add in the orange zest. I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of the orange zest. Last thing I'm putting in is the oranges. So this is sections of 1 orange. fact, I might stick in one more. It was more cranberries than I thought it was, and so it's, I'm going to peel another orange here and put sections of it in. So those are cut into 1/3 pieces. I'm going to turn off the heat because we're done cooking on it. But I'm just going to leave it on there long enough to get these in. But your Thanksgiving side is handled. These do freeze great too. So so your cranberries will freeze for a while. Normally 6 months on fruits. But now it's done. And I can get a picture of this, or show you what it looks like. There's nothing in this bowl now, so we can use it. But But if you want something that's going to smelt the house, this is it. There's the, see what beautiful color that is. And makes the house smell amazing too. So we got you covered on that. See, the berries don't look pop, but they are. Still a little tart. I might add a little bit more allulose to it. Alright. So probably another half a cup of allulose. So we now have a cup of allulose in. More than the normal. I'm going to put this back in so it gets some of the allulose also, because it needs to be sweetened more. And I'm the only one eating this, so I have a family who don't normally like cranberries, so they've gotten the can before, and I think they're afraid to try the real. But there is no comparison. Once you've tried fresh cranberries, there's no going back. Okay, so see how we're doing here. Much better. Now we're good. And it takes a little bit for it to thicken up, but it does thicken up. It is just now that the heat's been off for a little bit, it's starting to thicken up. But anyway, that's pretty much it. If you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.